Rebalancing acrylic or gel enhancements. The purpose of a rebalance, fill-in, backfill, infill, or refill is to restructure the enhancement for strength, flexibility, and beauty. After a 2 to 3 week period, your client will be in need of a rebalance to reposition the apex, create new smile line, and to replace product at the regrowth area. This is also an opportunity to repair any surface breakdown that may have occurred. Proper nail care is of utmost importance. You must do everything you can to protect and preserve the integrity of the natural nail plate. That means no roughing, no nipping. Nipping is highly destructive to the natural nail and increases lifting. No mechanical force, no harsh chemicals, no harsh files, no heavy-handed filing techniques. File prep. Sanitize is a fast-acting spray for sanitizing hands, work areas, and implements. Start in Zone 1, the extension edge, by filing downward using a Zebra 180 grit file. File until the edge is thin and beveled. Proceed to file in Zones 2 and 3 until thinned, being careful that when filing in Zone 3, you switch to a safer, less abrasive file. The cells of the natural nail are like new babies, and extreme care must be taken here. File in the area where the lifting stops and the product starts to thicken. If you file this thickened area, the lifting will flake away and no damage to the natural nail has occurred. Nail prep. Once file prep has been completed on all 10 nails, then proceed with nail preparation. The goal of natural nail prep is to prevent the nail enhancement from lifting and to prevent bacterial infections. Vanish Cuticle Dissolve is a deeply penetrating, highly effective AHA complex cuticle exfoliant with a powerful moisturizing effect. Apply a very small amount of Vanish to the back of your non-working hand. Using your fingertip, transfer a very small amount to each cuticle and gently massage. Using a disinfected stainless steel cuticle pusher, gently push back the eponychium, which is living tissue. Using a curette or similar implement, remove the cuticle from nail plate. Be sure to pull down on the lateral folds to remove any cuticle that is hiding there. Make sure the cuticle line is clean of any thin, transparent tissue that could still be covering the nail plate. If any cuticle is left on the nail plate, it could retain moisture and cause lifting of the nail enhancement. Wipe off excess Vanish using a nail wipe moistened with Cleanse. Prep 180 grit file is a gentle white abrasive used to shape the free edge and remove surface shine of the natural nail. Remove the shine from the natural nail by lightly buffing the surface with the Prep 180 grit file. Use gentle strokes following the contour of the natural nail and move the file in the direction of the nail plate growth. Remove the excess dust using the plush brush. Nail Pure gently dehydrates and cleanses the natural nail, preparing the nail for any enhancement service. For lift-prone clients, double dehydrate by using Nail Pure first. Nail Pure Plus is a natural nail deep cleanser and dehydrator that reduces lifting, improves adhesion, and prevents infection. Using a small lint-free nail wipe saturated with Nail Pure Plus, press and rub into the natural nail, side walls, lateral folds, and under the free edge to remove dust, oil, moisture, and contaminants. Nail Pure Plus leaves antimicrobial agents behind to aid in the prevention of infection long after the nail service. Allow to dry to a chalky white finish prior to applying primer. For more detailed instructions on proper primer use, refer to primer section of this DVD. Line Out is an eraser that eliminates unsightly fill lines with an easy-to-use brush-on application. It's completely compatible with all acrylic and gel products. Line Out may be used at this point. Product application. Zone 1. Following the recommendations in the product application section of this DVD, recreate new smile line by positioning it just slightly beyond the natural free edge line. Back brush to detail and sharpen line. Zones 2 and 3. Continue to apply product following the recommendations in the product application section of the DVD. When all 3 zones have been reapplied, then proceed to the finishing.